So I'm going to go through links. Now, links are super important. You have two types of links. What is a link? A link is that hyperlink text, right? It can be a word, it can be a button, it can be a picture, it can be a logo. It all points to another location. So there are two types of links, which I'm going to get into in a sec on your site. Building links are really many tactics, and a lot of people in SEO focus on link building. For local SEO, it's easier to link build. For regular SEO, if you're not doing local stuff, it's harder. That's why we focus on really good content. And that's going to earn us those links over time, right? So that's one thing. Now, link juice flows through your site. You can use text, images, anything can be called the link. That hyper blue link text, the words you use in that text, they actually matter. So when you have somebody writing, go to our contact us page to get in touch, and you have the hyperlinked contact us page, it's kind of telling Google, oh, that's a keyword contact us page, right? If you have something that says click here, that's not helpful, right? So, and we'll look at those things in Google Search Console. You just need to know that your hyperlink blue text over time will become a strategy on its own. There are two types of links. The first type are internal. These are linking from pages to other pages in your site. These help with navigation. They help people stay on your site. They also stop the orphan pages, right? This will increase your authority. It contributes to your ranking, and it makes people stay on your site and get more information, right? Which is great. It allows users to flow through your site more easily. They are super important to have on your site, especially because of the orphan pages. They're anchor text, right? So it's the clickable text. So your strategy is say you've got to build a brand new site. You picked all your keywords, right? And you're building all the content. If you know the keywords on certain pages, the content that you write on, say, this page over here, that's going to link to that page over there, you want to use the keyword to tell Google, hey, the keyword that's on this page is what this page is about. I don't know if I explained that really well. We will go deeper into this later. If you pick a keyword for a page, you never want to take that keyword and create that as hyperlink text. As time goes on and we write blog posts and we try to perfect our on-page SEO, we'll go through this and we'll look at stuff together so that we can say, is this good? Is this bad? Would I change this? The other really important thing you need to do is you need to externally link to other sites for supporting documentation, basically, to verify facts, to backup sources. If you look at Wiki, which is a top ranking website, they link out to everything, right? They're linking to themselves, they're linking out. And people have actually tried an external linking process, and that's how you rank. Google Analytics 4 setup page that I actually rank for in the third spot of Google, crazy. I actually link all the articles I read at the bottom. So it can help, but it's a great way to verify facts or create resources. Now, the thing you do want to do with an external link is you want to have it open another page. You do not want to just send people away from your site. With your internal linking, you can keep them like on the one browser tab, right? If you're doing external linking, you want a new tab to open because you don't want to send them away. I often find that when you go to websites and you click on the social links, it sends you away from the site. It's not great because people want to go check out the social, but they also want to be on the site. So it's harder to get direct links for product pages. So don't even try, right? You want to, with products and things like that, your category pages are what become really important. Another SEO company is not necessarily going to link to my blog post article on their website because you're sending them away and then to another resource that's identical that could provide the same service. Might not be ideal. If I'm a carpet cleaning company, I'm talking about carpet cleaning, and I send them to another carpet cleaning company to verify, that, they're a good company, that sends them away. So we want to be strategic about our external linking, and it's just to support what we're saying. And we can work through this together. Outbound links, they increase your relevance there. They help the search engines, jump and learn more about what's going on. They build trust. They increase confidence. They help people dig deeper into topics if they need, right? And they give crawlers a helpful idea of what your industry is about.